How to sign up Fire Kirin. Ready to dive into the world of Fire Kirin? Signing up is super easy and will only take you a few moments. Let's get started. First things first, open your Fire Kirin app. So once you are on the home page, you can see two options over here. There's one sign in with Facebook and play as a guest. As we are going to sign up, tap on sign in with Facebook. Then tap on continue as your name. Let's see my profile if it is created or not. So I have extracted my name from the Facebook and it have already created my account on Fire Kirin. And just like that, you can sign up for Fire Kirin. Now you can directly log in and explore everything on Fire Kirin. And at last, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.